Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Cracking your joints, occasionally, like knuckles or knees, is harmless and won't cause arthritis. If it's painless and doesn't come with swelling or stiffness, cracking several times a day is usually safe. But if it becomes painful, frequent, or you notice swelling, it's important to see a healthcare professional to check for issues.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.